So you've got this massive table in Excel, and you need a specific value from that table. But it needs to be from a specific variable row and a specific variable column. Boom! There goes VLOOKUP. And since I seem to forget how this works every single time, I thought, why not make a video about it that I can come back to? Because let's face it, I'll probably also need it again next week. Okay, so how does it work? It's a combination of the index function and the match function. The index function is like your GPS. It can take you anywhere on the table, but only if you have the exact coordinates, so the row and the column numbers. So if you, for example, want the Mercedes sales from week 28, you need to input row 11 out of this table and column 3. This is what that function would look like. But you don't have the row and column numbers. You only know that you want the Mercedes numbers from week 28. And this is where the match function comes into play. Think of match as your assistant. It searches the row headers and the column headers and tells you exactly where to go. In our example, it will take your row requirement, so week 28, and it will find you your row number, in this case row 11. And the same you need to do with the columns. The column search term is Mercedes, match it with the headers, and you will get the column number, in this case column 3. This is what the two functions would look like. Now, the magic happens when you combine these two. It's like peanut butter and jelly. They just work better together. Here's what the completed function looks like. Fun fact, you actually can solve this problem with the VLOOKUP. You just need to combine it with, again, the match function for the column selection. Here's what that would look like. And there you have it. Excel magic in action. If only I could use these functions to find where I left my keys. Let me know if this helped, and if you want more videos like this one. See you next time!